how to fade in or fade out a video in CapCut. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the CapCut application on your device and in your timeline. Select the video you want to add the fade in and fade out effect, and then once the video has been imported, tap on the video and further tap on the animations option from the bottom toolbar. Since this is the start of the video, make sure you select the in section and then locate the fade in animation somewhere on the screen. Once you select your fade in animation, you will use this slider at the bottom and select how long you want your fade in animation to last. It is suggested to set around 1 to 2 seconds for the best effect for your videos. As long as the end of the video is concerned, simply select the out section at the top and then locate the fade out animation, and that's essentially it. You will also get a slider for the duration of the fade out animations. Set it to however long you want your animation to be. Finally, tap on the Done button and further play the video in order to save the changes that you just made. So this is how you can fade in or fade out a video in CapCut. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.